What is the downside of Venmo? Have you ever used Venmo to send or receive money? If so, you're not alone. Venmo has become a popular way to pay for things like meals, rent, and even gifts. But what are the downsides of using Venmo? In this video, we'll take a look at the potential downsides of using Venmo. We'll discuss things like security risks, fees, and other things to keep in mind before using Venmo. Security risks. One of the biggest downsides of Venmo is that it can be a security risk. Venmo is a social media platform, and as such, it's vulnerable to hackers and scammers. There have been several reports of people having their Venmo accounts hacked and their money stolen. To help protect yourself from security risks, it's important to be careful about who you share your Venmo information with. You should also enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. Another downside of Venmo is that it charges fees for certain transactions. For example, if you use Venmo to send money to someone who doesn't have a Venmo account, you'll be charged a fee. Venmo also charges a fee if you use a credit card to make a payment. Other things to keep in mind. Venmo is not FDIC insured. This means that your money is not protected by the federal government if Venmo goes bankrupt. Venmo is not a bank. This means that you can't use it to deposit or withdraw money. Venmo is not a currency exchange. This means that you can't use it to convert money from one currency to another. Venmo can be a convenient way to send and receive money. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides before using it. If you're considering using Venmo, I encourage you to do your research and weigh the pros and cons carefully. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like this video if you found it helpful. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Be careful about who you share your Venmo information with. Only use Venmo with people you trust. Monitor your Venmo account regularly for any suspicious activity. Report any suspicious activity to Venmo immediately. By following these tips, you can help to protect yourself from the risks of using Venmo. I hope this video script is helpful.